Roger, today's tip is about planting in containers.
Now, Kevin, every good container should have a hole in the bottom for drainage. If a pot doesn't drain, it'll fill with water, drown the roots, and the plant will die.
Okay.
So to help with that drainage, we always put in something that water can flow through. In this case, we're going to put in some broken shards of pottery. Now, that has voids in it, and that'll always allow the water to go through. If you didn't have broken shards, you could always use some stone in there.
Gotcha. Now, over time, that can actually clog up, even when you create the voids. So Lewis from Tampa has written us, and he's got an idea that involves filter fabric.
Right. What Lewis wants us to do is just take a piece of filter fabric, put some rocks in the middle. We're going to fold it up.
So he's basically suggesting we make almost a bean bag here.
Right. And I'm just going to take and zip tie it together.
Gotcha.
And once it's tight, now that's tight. You get those shards out of there?
I do.
Okay, now we simply place this in the bottom. That'll allow for drainage, but it won't let all the potting soil get down into the stone.
All
That
right.
works out great.
And you can actually reuse that bean bag. Now, Lewis wasn't the only one to come up with the idea. You can actually go to your garden center and you can buy these bean bags that have already been made up. They come in different sizes. You can pick the right size for your pot and stick it right there on the bottom, and it has the same effect.
Yeah, but there's nothing like making your own.
Now, if you're concerned about weight or using too much potting soil, let's say you've got one of these containers up on a deck, you've got another thought for us.
That's right. What we do is we simply take these styrofoam packing peanuts, put them in a piece of the soil separator, the filter fabric, and we're just going to tie it up.
And this is just going to take up a lot of volume, right?
That's right, without adding weight. That's the key. We're just going to take this, set it down in the bottom, and you can see how much space we took up, and we'll just put some soil in there,
Look at that.
and we are ready to plant.
And it is not that heavy. Good deal. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.